Brittany, everybody. I am back with another toy review. Today I'm going to be reviewing Masters of the Universe Battle Cat by Mattel. You can see he's already out of the package. Sorry. And that's because I already recorded this. We already did this whole kit and caboodle. But we had a new camera and it wasn't working out. Okay, so redo. So out the box already. Here is the box. And this up here is embossed. So that's cool. Here's the side. Here's the back. Try to not get a huge glare. That might be the same side I already showed. I honestly don't remember which way I turned it. And here's the bottom. Okay, so that's the box. Don't need that anymore. And here is the figure. Okay. As you can see, he's green with yellow stripes. He comes with this helmet, which is removable. The helmet has eyes on it, if you can see that. And he comes with this saddle, which is also removable. If you look at the bottom, it's like a belt. If you can work a belt, you can work this saddle. So, all right, here he is. Okay, so let's talk about the articulation for this figure. All right. Let's start with, I'm gonna go ahead and take the helmet off. His head will go up and down and side to side and kind of all the way around, but it's kind of like, I can't think of a word. I keep thinking rickety, but that's not right. I think this is a nice touch. His mouth opens and closes, so he can be like, "Rawr!" So yeah, battle cat, that's his battle cry. The legs, they go like this. I don't know if it'll go in a whole 360, honestly, because I didn't take the saddle off. So let's see if the back leg will, because it shouldn't be hindered by it. Nope, it looks like it just goes that far. And then his knees, all his knees bend just like that. The paws don't bend, you know. I guess they could have if they wanted them to, but they don't. They just are like that. And then the tail actually does go up and down and will go in a full 360 also. So yeah, that's for when he's on the prowl. Let's talk about the paint. I think the paint looks good for what it is, you know. It's not perfect, but it doesn't look bad, you know. I just really pay attention to detail, so for me it doesn't look perfect, but it does look good. I like the paint. I like the colors on it. You know, red and green are complementary colors, so yeah. All right, I guess that's it. I mean, there's not much to talk about. There's literally 3 colors. His eyes though, okay, if you look at the eyes on the helmet, they look pretty cool. They're like yellow with a red, or I'm sorry, yellow with a black line, like a cat's eye basically, because it goes like this. But on the figure, I don't know why it's so funny to me, because it's just like a little black dot. Like, I think the eyes look better on the helmet than on here, but that's just my preference. So yeah, I think that's it. That's all there is to talk about with that. So. Okay, let's do some size comparisons with this guy. Okay, so let's first compare him to a Mythic Legion's horse. You can see he is much bigger. He also is really cool looking. So I don't have many animals to compare them to, but here's these two. I think they could be friends. I think they could get along. They could go run in a valley together or something. They could have fun. That's what I think. All right, so let's get him out of here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put him over here. Don't look at him anymore. Pretend he's not there. Okay. So next we have He-Man. And, you know, obviously these figures were made for each other. So he looks good with them. And he looks great on him. Look at that. Perf, right? I love it. Okay. Well, not only do we have He-Man, we also have Skeletor. Again, they go together. I mean, I don't think they go together, but, you know, they go together. So, again, perf. I love it. Okay. All right, let's see what we have next. Next I have a Marvel Legend figure here. And I don't think that she looks too bad with him, honestly. Like, she's a bit taller than He-Man and Skeletor, but I think she actually looks good with it. But on it, this gets in the way. So you just gotta kind of move it to the side, I guess. But I think she looks all right on it. Like, I don't think it looks bad. What do you think? Comment down below. All right. And lastly, I have got Mythic Legion's homage to this Battle Cat. Check it out. How cool. As you can see, or you might not be able to see, let me put him closer. He is a cat, and he is green with yellow stripes. So yeah, that's pretty nifty. And I don't, well, you know, the second go around, it doesn't bother me as much. It's not my favorite, him on there, but it's not bad. The first time I did the video, I was like, no, he should not be on there, but it's not that bad. All right. So my final review of, okay, I am gonna get him out here. He's distracting because he looks so cool. Don't fall, buddy. Oh. All right, my final thoughts and reviews on the Battle Cat. I like him. I think he's pretty cute. I mean, he looks great with the He-Man on him. Like, is it perfect? No. But is it terrible? Absolutely not. You know, like, I think it looks pretty good. I like cats. I have 4. So I'm gonna always be on board. So I would say 8.5 out of 10 for me for this guy. What would you rate him? Let me know. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, I know that Ryan, in one of his previous videos, I don't know if it was the last one or the one before, but he said we were going to do a giveaway. And I have right here, this is a Mythic Legion weapon and a shield. So like, you can win this. If you're interested, you can win this. All you need to do is be subscribed and comment down below, and we'll pick somebody. And like, then this is all yours. Who doesn't want it? You know, like, okay, I don't want to ramble. I feel like, you know, my second go around, I feel like I'm done. I'm done here. So, comment, like, and subscribe. Try to win you a little Mythic Legion sword type thing and shield. Good luck. May the odds be ever in your favor. Adios!